Hello friends, welcome to Tech Physics. You must be thinking that what did you just see? So I am one Take Your Time and I will tell you that today we are going to do an experiment with a copper pipe and a neodymium magnet. This experiment is a verification of very famous Lenz's law from physics. Generally students gets very terrified and they find it very hard to understand, so I thought to make a video on that. So today we are going to do an experiment with a copper pipe and a neodymium magnet. For this experiment I have used two neodymium magnets, each of which are 10 mm in diameter and they are 5 mm thick. I have used two such magnets to increase the magnetic field. And I have used neodymium magnet because these magnets are very powerful magnets. A single such magnet can hold the weight of around 1.5 to 2 kg. They are used to hold the weights mostly. The other thing that I have used is a copper pipe which is 25 cm long and the diameter of this pipe is 0.5 inch. So the diameter of this pipe is 0.5 inch and you can find these pipes in the stores where you get the AC pipes. So these pipes are used in ACs mostly and you can get it from there very easily. So let us start with our experiment. You can see these are the neodymium magnets that I have used, right? And this is a copper pipe that I have used. You can see this is very hollow. From other angle also you can see that it is a hollow pipe. See, this is not sticking to the copper pipe, right? I am dropping it outside the copper pipe now. See, it took 0.3 seconds, right? Now let's see that how magnet travels when we drop it inside a copper pipe. So now what we'll do, we'll drop that magnet from the hole of the copper pipe, right? So let us see. See, we are seeing from the front side. See, I dropped it and now it came. It took 3.4 seconds. Let us do it again. It again took 3.4 seconds. Now see, this pipe is very hollow, right? See, yeah, so this pipe is hollow. But then why it took 3.4 seconds, right? Let us try to see it again, but now we will see it using a different angle. Now we will see it from the upside. So see how it is traveling. Let us do this again. See, it took 3.4 seconds once again, right? So this is very strange, right? It was taking 0.3 seconds only when it was dropped outside the copper pipe, but now when we are dropping it inside a copper pipe, that is from the hole of copper pipe, it is taking 3.4 seconds to come out of it, to travel that 25 centimeter of distance, that is the length of a pipe, right? So let us see why did this happen. There is a very famous basic physics law, that is Lenz's law behind this. Okay, so now it states that the direction of the electric current which is induced in a conductor by changing magnetic field is such that the magnetic field created by the induced current opposes the initial changing magnetic field. So from there you can only understand that there is an electric current which is induced and it gives rise to a magnetic field, right? And that magnetic field is opposing the motion of that magnet, and that's why it is taking a longer time, right? But to understand it better, I have done something. So let's see that. Here this is our neodymium magnet, right? And this is our copper pipe. this pipe is 25 centimeter long, right? So when I drop this magnet inside the pipe, we expect it to come out in 0.3 seconds, because we have already seen that magnet is taking 0.3 seconds when it was dropped outside the pipe, right? So we are expecting it to come out in 0.3 seconds. Okay. But when this magnet is dropped inside this pipe like this, okay, as soon as it enters the pipe, it produces an electric current in a given direction like this arrow, okay, and this current is called as induced current. You must have seen that in the definition, right? So this is an induced current which gives rise to the magnetic field, which tries to oppose the motion of this neodymium magnet, okay, and that's why this magnet travels very slowly inside this pipe, and this is the reason why it was taking the 3.4 seconds. So you must have understood that why it was taking 3.4 seconds instead of taking 0.3 seconds. Got it? So this is all for today, and I want to tell you that physics is not hard. It's very easy. The sum of the things that you need are a good guide or a mentor, visualization of ideas, 3D imagination, and a little bit of understanding of basic ideas, a basic world which we see around us. This makes all physics, and physics is everywhere around us. So you can't avoid physics. So stop hating physics and start learning physics. It is very interesting. Keep learning, keep going. And if you like this, please like my video, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.